Well, guys, good morning, everyone. Today we have Mr. Mukarram as a teacher who provides a home tuition or who gives a home tuition. We have Mr.
Atif sir.
Will you please just speak loudly?
Atif sir.
Atif.
Khan.
Okay, so we have Mr. Atif Khan. He is a student and he needs a home tuition.
Yes.
Okay, Atif?
Yes, sir.
So you are a student, you need a home tuition. Mr. Mukarram is a teacher, he gives a home tuition. He is on the way going somewhere. He is on the way going somewhere. Just meet him and confirm. Will he teach you or not? Speak loudly.
Okay sir.
Well, so can you start please?
Hello sir.
Be here. Okay, and speak loudly.
Hello sir.
Hello.
Sound please.
Hello.
Hello sir. I need a home tuition.
Speak with the sound.
Hello sir. I need a home tuition.
I need a home tuition.
Okay.
Sound.
Okay.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
What's your name?
Repeat with the sound.
What's your name?
Sir, my name is Atif Khan.
Repeat.
Sir, my name is Atif Khan sir.
तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
Sound with sound.
Do you know me?
Yes sir.
I know.
I know sir.
मेरा एक दोस्त है जिसे आप पढ़ाते हैं.
Sir, you teach my friend sir.
You teach my
Friend.
friend.
What is his name?
Very good. Repeat with the sound.
What is his name?
Sir, my friend name is.
My friends
My friend's name is.
is. Speak. Sound is not coming very.
My friend name is. Sir, actually.
Any name.
Yes, sir.
It's what's your name? Yeah. Akib.
Akib sir.
Repeat.
My friend's name is Akib sir.
Okay. हाँ,
Yes.
मैं उसे पढ़ाता हूँ.
I teach him.
बहुत अच्छा लड़का है.
He is very good.
बॉय. उसने तुम्हें मेरे बारे में बताया.
He told you about me.
वेरी गुड. रिपीट.
He told you about me.
Yes sir.
साउंड.
Yes sir.
उसने मुझे आपके बारे में बताया. उसने ही
told-
सब्जेक्ट उसने और वह, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ सब्जेक्ट देन ही, इफ ऑब्जेक्ट देन हिम. हाँ, उसने मुझे बताया.
He told me
अबाउट
you sir.
रिपीट विद द
He
साउंड.
told me about you.
ओके.
Okay.
ठीक है, मैं तुमको भी होम ट्यूशन दूंगा.
Okay. I will teach you.
ठीक है, आई विल टीच यू ऑल्सो. आई विल टीच यू.
I'll teach you also.
रिपीट विद द वॉल्यूम.
I'll teach you also.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you sir.
किस क्लास में पढ़ते हो तुम?
In which class do you read?
Sir, I read in 7th class sir.
रिपीट.
I read in 7th class.
ओके.
Okay.
किस स्कूल में पढ़ते हो?
In which school do you read?
Oxbridge sir.
ओके.
Okay.
ओके. एंड किस सब्जेक्ट में कमजोर हो?
In which subject are you weak?
रिपीट विद द साउंड.
In which subject are you weak?
Sir, I weak in.
आई एम.
I am weak in math and science.
इट्स ओके.
It's okay.
मेरे पढ़ाने के बाद तुम अच्छे हो जाओगे.
After my teaching,
हाँ.
you will be good.
रिपीट.
After my teaching, you.
या आफ्टर आई टीच यू. आफ्टर आई
After I teach you,
यू विल बी
you will be good.
गुड. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you sir.
सर, इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ आप मुझे पढ़ाएं.
So sir, I need you.
I want.
I want to teach you sir.
No, I want to teach you. I want you teach me. There is some change. Repeat.
Sir, so
I.
I want you teach me.
Superb. Repeat the sentence.
So I want to teach me. You teach me.
Repeat.
So I want you teach me sir.
Very good. Yes,
Okay,
I'll teach you.
I'll teach you.
सर कब से पढ़ाएंगे?
Sir, when are you?
कब से?
From where? From when?
Repeat with the sound.
From when you teach me?
From when will you teach me?
Will you teach me?
Okay. After this week, I'll teach you.
Repeat.
After this week, I'll teach you.
सर कल से क्यों नहीं? Speak with the sound, sir. कल से क्यों नहीं?
Sir, tomorrow.
Why not?
Why not?
From tomorrow. देखो कल से छुट्टी चालू हो रहा है.
Because
See.
there is Deepavali. After
There is Deepavali starting from tomorrow,
there is Deepavali starting from tomorrow,
and
and after Deepavali
after
there is Chhat also.
Chhat also.
That's why
मैं तुमको 23 नवंबर से पढ़ाऊंगा.
That's why I will teach you from 23rd November.
सर आप तो बीच में भी पढ़ा सकते हैं. जिस दिन त्योहार होगा उस दिन मत पढ़ाइए.
Sir, you teach.
You can teach
You
me
can teach me
in the middle of
middle of
also.
also.
जिस दिन त्योहार हो उस दिन मत पढ़ाइए. The day
The day
on which
on which
there is festival. Don't
teach me.
नहीं.
No,
Sound.
no.
मैं इस छुट्टी में बाहर जा रहा हूँ.
I will go outside in this leave.
लीव नॉट. लीव हम जो लेते हैं, छुट्टी जो अपने आप मिलता है. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन हॉलीडे एंड लीव. लीव मीन्स द क्लासेस आर on your personal request, for as you have urgent work you are getting off or leave, that is leave. But whenever it is a holiday like a festival comes, so classes will be closed. It's not a leave, it's a holiday. Understanding? There is a difference between holiday and leave. Yes. So इस छुट्टी में मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ.
I'll go outside.
I'm going outside
I'm going outside
in this
in this
leave. Leave not, sorry. In this holiday.
Holiday.
No leave. In this
vacation also. Sir.
no vacation also not. See, this is also not vacation. Vacation is a summer vacation, winter vacation, region with the climate. This is holiday. Holiday is, you can say that also, but proper vacation you can't use here. Yeah.
Going out.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं सर?
Where are you going, sir?
Repeat with the sound.
Where are you going, sir?
क्यों? Why?
Why?
ये मेरा पर्सनल है.
It's my personal.
सर मैं भी चलूं क्या आपके साथ?
Sir,
May I
come with you, sir?
also? May I come
With you.
with you also?
Also, sir.
Repeat.
May I come you on?
May I
May I come with you also?
also?
No,
No, you can't.
no, you can't come.
तुम कहाँ जाओगे मेरे साथ?
Where will you go?
With me?
With me.
क्या करोगे जाकर?
What will you do
Going there.
going there?
क्या करोगे जाकर? What will you do going there?
What will you do going there?
Sorry sir.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay, no.
आप मुझे 23 तारीख से पढ़ा दीजिए.
You teach me 20.
Sound.
You teach me 20.
You teach me from
You teach me from
23rd
23rd
November. It's okay.
It's okay.
तेरा घर कहाँ पे है?
Where is your home?
Actually, my home is
Tell some place of Darbhanga.
Hills of.
No, I'm telling you. You say him the place of Darbhanga. Name any mohalla name of Darbhanga. Tell him. Understood?
I live in, sir.
I live at.
I live at, sir, Beta.
Speak.
I live in Beta.
I live at.
I live at
Beta.
Beta.
Why at? It's a small place. At and in we can use. I'll teach you in the preposition chapter. At for the small place and open place. Two regions are there with the at as position. In it's a surrounded, closed or big one. It's okay.
It's okay.
मुझे बेता पता है. Speak with the sound.
I know Beta.
तुम अपना फोन नंबर दे दो.
You give me your contact number.
मैं बेता आकर फोन कर लूंगा.
After coming Beta,
हाँ चलो ठीक है.
I will take your number. I will call you.
और इसको एक और तरह से बोल सकते हैं. I will see always talk the main tense subject first. मैं बेटा आकर तुम्हें फोन कर लूंगा. तो मेन सेंटेंस है मैं तुम्हें फोन कर लूंगा. I will call you coming at बेटा. I will call you coming at
I'll call
बेटा.
you. I'll call you coming at Beta.
It's okay sir.
It's okay, sir.
मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
I have no problem.
आप मेरा नंबर लिख ले.
You take my number.
हाँ बोलो जोर से. You write my number.
00.
Okay, wait.
Okay, tell me.
Tell me number.
Tell me number.
00213.
It's okay.
It's okay, no problem.
No problem. अब तुम जा सकते हो.
Now you can go.
Speak with the sound.
Now you can go.
थैंक यू
you,
सर.
sir.
सर आपने रेट मंथली फी नहीं बताया.
Sir,
You
you
didn't
didn't
tell me
tell me.
your monthly
monthly
fee. Repeat.
You didn't not tell me.
You didn't.
You didn't not tell me.
Did not एक साथ हो गया है ना. देखो कोई बात नहीं. Do तो did हो गया, पास्ट है, तो आपने नहीं बताया बेटू.
Yes, sir.
राइट. बेटू में did लगेगा, तो did not अलग को एक साथ कर दिए. आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, you did not या you didn't
You did not tell me
about
your monthly fee.
monthly
Fee.
fee. तुमने पूछा भी तो नहीं.
You have not asked.
You did not ask also.
You did not ask also.
Sorry sir.
Sorry, sir.
अभी बता दीजिए.
You tell me now.
Now repeat.
You tell me now.
You tell me
Now.
Now. Repeat.
You tell me now.
मुंह खोलो, मुंह खोलो. You tell me
Now.
Now.
You tell me now.
Good.
20,000. Sorry, 2,000 only.
सर मैं अकेला हूँ.
Sir, I am alone.
Yes.
Yes.
एक घंटा 2,000 रुपया फी लेते हैं.
1 hour.
For 1 hour,
1 hour.
I take.
I take 2,000.
Repeat with the sound.
For 1 hour, I take 2,000 only.
Why, sir?
My
This is
charge.
very high.
It's my charge.
बोलो. सर बहुत ज्यादा है.
This is very high.
हाँ, मैं गरीब हूँ सर.
Sir, I am poor. Sir.
I'm poor.
Yes.
आप मुझे डिस्काउंट दीजिए.
You discount me.
Sorry.
Sorry.
It's a fix
It's fixed
fee.
fee.
अगर तुम चाहते हो मैं तुमको पढ़ाऊं तो 2,000 एडवांस पैसा रखना.
If you want, I teach you.
Repeat.
If you want, I teach you.
Sound.
If you want, I teach you.
You keep 2,000
2,000
ready
ready
in advance.
in advance.
मैं एडवांस लेता हूँ.
I take advance.
ठीक है सर.
It's okay, sir.
मैं चाहता हूँ आप पढ़ाएं.
I want to teach me.
I want you teach me.
I want you teach me.
इसलिए
So,
मैं दे दूंगा.
I give you.
I will
I will give.
give you. It's okay.
It's okay.
तो 5 बजे शाम में 23 तारीख को रेडी रहना.
You will be ready.
Repeat with the sound.
You will be ready
At 5 p.m. on
on 23rd November.
23rd November. It's okay, sir.
It's okay, sir.
No problem.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sound.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Can we clap for them, please?